we have a histogram, and the fact that you need to know about a histogram in order to be able to do this question is the fact that the frequency, in this case the number of cars, is going to be represented by an area on the histogram. Now the question says the number of cars which were left in the car park for between 4.5 and 8 hours. Now, if we look at the horizontal scale, 8 hours is here, and 4.5 hours, well, this is 4, this is 6, this is 5, so 4.5 is halfway between 4 and 5. Now, if I just put a straight line on there, we then need to work out the area. So if I just do that, that should be halfway between, not quite there, let's just move it across a little bit. Let's just move it slightly to the right. Yeah, it should be exactly halfway between the two. We need to work out then basically this area here plus this area here plus this area here, and that should be easy enough to do. Okay, so working out first of all this area, we know that the height here, let's work out what the scale is to start with. This is 150, this is 200, so we've got 10 squares equaling 50, so each square then must be 5. Okay, so we've got 2 squares here, so this must be 160, so the height is 160 for this rectangle, and the width is from 4.5 to 5, which is 0.5. So 160 times 0.5, well, that's 80. It's 80 cars in that bit. If we work out the area of this rectangle here, well, the height is obviously 50, and 50 multiplied by the width, well, this is 5, and this here is 7, so from 5 to 7 is 2, and 50 times 2 is 100. We've then got to work out the area of this bit here. Well, across the bottom there is 1. The height of it is half of 50, which is 25. So that comes out as 25. And if we add these three together, so 80 plus 100 plus 25, that comes out as 180 plus 25. That's 205 cars. So we can estimate that there were 205 cars left between 4.5 and 8 hours.